everyone, today I'm going to show you about my eating with this one everyone. We call pin. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you about my eating with pineapple. You know, I have 4 pineapple today. I think it is 4 enough for me. And I also have this chili sauce everyone. This chili sauce, you can look at. So now I'm going to show you about my eating. But before I eat, let me take the outside of the pineapple. So now I take the outside of the pineapple. Oh yes! It smells so good, everyone. Maybe it is delicious, everyone. Wow! Most of people tell me that the pineapple it is difficult to take the outside of it, but for me it's not difficult. I think it is just normal to take the outside of it. Everyone in this video who ever eats this pineapple with chili sauce, everyone, and then we do like this. I'm not the professional of it, but I can do it. It looks like so yummy, and it smells so good too, but I do not know yet about it there. Maybe it's yummy or not, everyone? Can you guess? So now I already take the outside of it, everyone, and now this pineapple we can eat, but I eat it with chili sauce. We can eat just only pineapple, but for me to be more delicious and to be more better of taste, you can eat this pineapple with chili sauce, everyone, like this. Put it like this, or we can do this. Now I'm mouth watering again, everyone. Already, so now the time to eat. Let me eat, everyone. Eat with me. It tastes so good, everyone, and it's so sweet. So now it's the countryside lifestyle of me. You can look the landscape, and especially you can look the raining, everyone. The weather now is raining, and I'm trying my best to take a video to show you guys. The raining. So now the weather is so cold because of the raining. Like this. Even though it's difficult to take a video, but I try my best. We add more chili sauce like this. Add more everyone, and then eat. This fruit we call pineapple, and this fruit it help sell in market too. Everyone, if you want to eat this fruit, you can find it at market. But for me, I did not spend the money to buy it because of my hometown have a lot of it, and I can't eat it without money. Wow. Now I'm mouth watering again, everyone, because of the tasting of this fruit. Already cut the outside of this fruit, everyone, and now is the time for eating. So let me eat. We put the chili sauce on it like this. Jump, and jump, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I think now I'm enough of my eating. I can't eat anymore. Yeah, this two more, but I cannot eat because of now I'm enough of my eating. So now everyone, let me say goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and I promise that I will find a good fruit and the fruits that have our healthy to be more good, and find the landscape like this, find the recipe of cooking, and show you about the lifestyle of countryside more about my video. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching this video and another video of my channel too. So now thank you and say goodbye everyone. Goodbye.